Hi, and thank you for watching. So for today's video, we have a very bougie try-on. It's from Chanel, and when you purchase from the website directly, their packaging is incredible. Then you get the unboxing experience, and it feels like you're purchasing a caviar flap when you spend $35. My previous purchases have come in a box, like a perfect square, but today it's like this, and then this is the receipt. How cool is this? Oh, I wrote a note to myself and I said, just wing it. Does it give you a clue of what is inside? You can choose up to 2 samples. This is one of the samples I got. And then here's the other. And here's the main event. I purchased 2 eyeliners. I need to take this off, sorry. I'm really warm. The lights are hot. Usually when you see me, I'm wearing Tom Ford. It's $57 eyeliner. It's dual-ended, but that's a bit steep. So I just wanted to try something else out, but I didn't want to forfeit any of the luxury. So I thought, why not Chanel? These retail for $35 each. I will have one in brown and one in black. I just wanted to try them out because maybe if I could save a couple bucks, why not? Today I am wearing the brown eyeliner. Every single day I do black winged liner. It's just always been my thing ever since I started wearing makeup. So flattering, it's uplifting, it makes me feel like Sophia Loren. I just really like winged liner. But I did want to try brown for like the spring, summer months because why not? I always prime my eyes and I use a concealer. So I have the Dior Forever concealer in 1.5N and I just dot that all over the eye, press it in with my finger and then blend it with a beauty blender. And I set that with the KKW Beauty loose powder, which I also use for baking. I love this stuff. For the eyeshadow today, I just used one quad, one discontinued quad, unfortunately. It's Coco Mirage by Tom Ford. My favorite palette ever to exist, and I've hit pan on my favorite color, and they discontinued it. But I wanted to use it in today's video because this is a glam look. Everything else was just the same as I always do. When it was time for the eyeliner, this is the one that I tried, the brown. I love the color. It's not as harsh as a black line, but it's not subtle either. I was really scared. It's not striking, and if you're going to do a wing liner, like I'd like it to be striking. This applicator is a felt tip. Honestly, as beautiful as this color is, I did have a little bit of problems applying it because the felt is just so delicate that it wasn't really doing what I wanted. It wasn't like listening to me. The tip at the end is just so light. It's a little bit more difficult to control than a brush tip. And also I felt like the product was kind of caking onto my eyelashes too, which I've never experienced before with an eyeliner. It was a little difficult to apply, to be honest. I do love the end result, but the wings, they were not as easy to do as they usually are. I mean, I do this every day. It's not difficult for me. It's something I enjoy doing. Otherwise I wouldn't do it. But that was kind of tough. And I did reapply it quite a few times. The consistency is kind of thick. It's almost like when you have had nail polish for a long time, that was the consistency of this. So as much as I love brown, I'll use this because why not? I don't know if I would repurchase it. And saying that even just after your first time using it is kind of telling. I will actually kind of want to see if Tom Ford makes a brown. I'm not really sure. This is my baby. I'm sorry I tried to stray from you. You are good to me. But this brush tip is everything. And it just glides on exactly how you like it. You can do that thickness. You can be thin. The felt tip is a very small, so you still get that precision. You know what I mean? Like it's just really good. I didn't find his replacement yet, but that's okay because I will just continue to purchase that. I am happy though that I have a brown liner. And then as for this black, like because I didn't like the application, I don't know what I'm going to do because technically I don't like it. So it's not like I want to be like, ew, I don't like this. You want it? So I don't know. If anyone wants this, let me know. I'll send it. I feel kind of bad because it's like my rejected makeup or something. I mean, it's a fine product. I just have my own preference. I'm really weird. And I just wear so much eyeliner that I like that brush tip to really like paint it on. Like I said, I'll continue to use brown eyeliner. I think it's a nice look for spring, summer. I wanted to do something really glam. I'm leaning more toward luxury on this channel, but I want to do it in affordable ways. Like I said, these eyeliners retail for $35. It kind of reminds me of the felt tip that I used to wear by Almay, but better because that Almay formula was super watery. It was $8, I think, but when you first applied it, it would always be very watery. And then like once you used about 1/3 of the product, it would kind of get nice and then it would dry out. I have other videos on my channel about makeup. I have luxury. I'm trying to make this a realistic kind of bougie. So yeah, there's other videos. Feel free to tune in and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.